Saving a long road, long road, long road. You know who we came from, came from. Saving a long road, long road, long road. You know. All right, y'all. So I'm at work right now. It's beautiful Sunday, fun day. But I'm only here for like 2 hours, so today I was going to get into a reinstall video of one of my old wigs. I wore it for my birthday, which was in July. And since then, it's been sitting on the mannequin head collecting dust. So y'all is going to see me doing the whole little process of getting it right, slapping it on this head. I take this scarf off. So yeah, y'all just stay tuned. So the store that I went to was actually Beauty Inside in Morrow. I really love going to this one. It's pretty big. It's never too many people in there. It's never too busy. So really one of my go-to beauty supply stores. So yeah, y'all should check it out. All right, y'all. So right now I'm finna go in the beauty supply. Let me give me a wig cap and a couple of other things. So yeah. So here I'm just doing a little bit of my shopping, picking up the few things that I needed, which some of them I will show later on in the video so y'all can just see a couple things I picked up. I fast forwarded, sped it up a little bit for y'all so because I was shopping for a minute. So okay, so here I'm just going to use my little wax stick. It's actually She Bomb. I really love it. I had this wax stick for a while. So I'm just going to use my wax stick, get the hair in place. I really like to do this before I install wigs because it makes it easier for me to lay it down. So when I put the glue on, it's no hairs and stuck to the glue, the whole nine. And here I'm just using my hot comb to kind of give it a flat look, like the girls be saying, it's giving flat, it's giving laid. So I really use my hot comb just to lay it down real good. Like I said, I usually do this first before I even install the wig, so it makes it a little bit easier for me when I put the wig on. I don't gotta do all this. Most of this already done. Thing I gotta do is put the edges down and lay it down even more, but
So I used the HD Invisible wig cap. Now I'm just trying to, get the cap, get the scalp ball look. So y'all see me through my trial and error. Just stay tuned, watch the process.
A few moments later. Yeah, boy. 2,000 years later.